Hey there, internet besties. Long time no slay. Did you miss me? Well, I've missed you guys too, and I am back with another wig review. The unit that we're going to be installing today is from Sensationnel's Wet Lace line. Y'all know we stan wet lace on this account, okay? This is their new unit called Rashana. She's Swiss lace, 13x6 parting space. I have her in the balayage mocha. Y'all, it took me so long to figure out how to say balayage. Listen. Tragic. So I got this unit from Amazon for $60. Keep in mind though that if you get it in a more natural color like a 1B or a 2, it's actually closer to $50. I will link down below in the description box the direct link to the unit on Amazon as well as some other places you can find her. This unit has 4 combs as well as adjustable straps, and she is pre-plucked. Right now I'm just going to go ahead and go in with my lace ebon spray and tint the lace and then try her on to see where I want to like spray her down at. Also, I know this is a little late into the video, but if you're new here, this is your first time seeing me, seeing my face. Hey, what's up? My name is Champagne. I do some hair on the channel. I do some makeup. I do some fitness. I'll throw a vlog in there. You know, we just do everything over here. I would love to have you. Go ahead and click that subscribe button, that like button. If not, that's okay. I'm not offended. You'll see me around anyway. Maybe you'll subscribe next time. What I'm doing right now is I'm just going to go ahead and cut off the ear tabs. Listen, I got little ears and a peanut head, so I need to make sure that these tabs are cut off because it's going to irritate me. It's going to irritate my soul. So I like to cut those off before I tack it down, just so that I can be less sensitive to the irritation of the lace. Okay, we're not going to do that. So that's what I'm doing. I'm going to spray her down with my ebon lace spray. I was using Kaffoon. I haven't re-upped on my Kaffoon spray yet, but right now I'm using the ebon lace, the red can, and she's working really, really well for me. I like this lace spray. It doesn't irritate. It dries down pretty fast. I don't even need to use a blow dryer. Listen, you spray a little bit, rub it in with your fingers. Next thing you know, she's up and she's stuck. Okay, she's not going anywhere. She's not moving. Yeah, I definitely love this spray. Going in with my elastic band just to like hold it in place and make sure that we don't have any mishaps around here. Y'all, in an earlier video, in a shorter video, so I do TikTok, right? This is turning into a story time. I do TikTok too, and I'm here, and I do reels and like the shorts. Everybody's trying to be TikTok. Anyway, I digress. Y'all, tell me why I put this elastic band on and it snapped, crackled, popped all over my face. I was so humiliated. My whole face was red. I was like, oh my God, YouTuber wear, because I'm looking a hot mess. Anyway, leave the elastic band on for a little bit. You don't have to use this brand. I use it because I can just roll it and snip off as much as I need, but you can also use like the ones that have the Velcro. And then I'm just going to kind of part, look at her, you know, we're feeling a little Lion King roar, you know, so we're going to get into it. This unit has a really natural yaki-like texture. I really enjoy units that have a more yaki texture. Look, silky is not the wave anymore. We're moving on, moving into 2023. We're not going to really do the silky because I prefer a little canicolon, you know what I mean? And so she's giving that. I'm going to go ahead and cut off a little bit of the lace. I do this in steps, okay? Because I'm speaking to the beginner in you. I'm not finna sit here and try to go immediately in with an eyebrow razor, because if something messes up, now you didn't cut it too close, you don't have an in-between step. So I like to do an in-between cut. I slice in the middle and then I'll go across about halfway up the lace where I want it to be. Then I'll go back in with my eyebrow razor and clean it up and like do some detailing. So this is where we're going to detail. You know how when you vacuum your car out and then you go in and you detail? This is what we're doing. We're detailing the vehicle. We're going to go in and cut a little bit closer, kind of fine tune that hairline. Make sure, I always tell my besties, if you're new here, I always tell y'all you need to be cutting your lace like you are completely ignorant, like you've never touched a razor before in your life. It needs to not be straight across, otherwise it's going to be really easy to clock you. You don't want to be easily clocked. So we're going to go through and we're just going to do some zigzags. We're going to try to get as close to the hairline as possible, but we don't want to cut up too much where, you know, we look at a little egghead. So there's a fine balance here. I'm going in now with my concealer. This is the Ruby Kisses concealer. I have it on my storefront. Y'all go to my store. Listen, go to my storefront if you need to pick up any wig essentials, because I be scoping stuff out and putting it out there for y'all. This is the Ruby Kisses concealer. This concealer works magic. This concealer does everything. This concealer hides knots, hides lace demarcation lines, fixes your credit, files your taxes. It will babysit your children. It does everything. I've been upset. This is the only concealer I use. The only concealer I use. This is all you need. You can see easily hid that gray lace. Okay, we went from gray, girl, I almost said gay. We went from gray to okay. Also, if you're new here, I don't know if you can tell, but my voiceovers tend to be a little chaotic. Let me tell you something. Let me let you in on a little secret. My real tutorials where I'm talking are also just as chaotic. So if you like chaotic energy, I am the YouTube girly for you, the online personality for you. We're a little kooky over here. We sound a little crazy. That's okay. I'm gonna do baby hair. Listen, I'm not a baby hair aficionado. My baby hair always looks stupid. And I keep trying because never give up, never back down. Okay, that's the motto for 2023. We're just gonna keep trying till we get it right. So I'm like parting out a little bit of hair here to do my baby hair. This unit already comes with some pre-defined baby hair, and you'll see them, but I feel like they're a little too thin. Listen, I don't want grown adult geriatric hairs. I want like a preteen hair. You know what I mean? Like a little bit thick, but not too thick. So I'm gonna part that out. Now I'm just applying my mousse. And I just you can use whatever regular, you don't have to get fancy, okay? I'm not gonna be the fancy person that's gonna recommend to you a million things. You can use whatever mousse, and I'm just using like a little edge brush. As y'all can see, I'm having some difficulty. That's okay. That's okay. We're gonna get it together. We're gonna get it together. Elastic band one more time. This is just going to solidify the baby hair so that we don't have a whole bunch of lifting occurring. So after I take that off, I'm going back in with my concealer and I'm just doing a little bit more detail work. I decided I'm going to do like a little middle part, you know, like the Gen Z girlies. I really love how this unit looks. The hairline is beautiful. The hair itself was thick and full, no tangling, no shedding. Yeah, she's a banger. Love it, love that for us. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section, and give this video a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, boo. I'll see you next time.